So what I'm going to ask you to do in this video is to update your digital portfolio with an assignment from code.org. I'm going to go over the instructions for how to do that. So what you're going to want to do is go back to Friday, February 10th. This is where we had the original assignment to create your digital portfolio. You needed to add your link in. So if you go back to this announcement, you should be able to click on your portfolio, open it up, and get back to where you can edit the elements of your portfolio. You can also go to your drive by selecting, just opening a browser, going in and clicking on your drive, and you should be able to find it on there as well. You just have to look around on your drive because that's where it's created. So I have my work page that I created as a sample to go over the process for this. If you remember, we added our poster. If you haven't done that yet, make sure you do that. There's a video where you can go into the announcements and access this again as well. You want to make sure that you add in the correct content block. So this is the one that you want to select once you get there under the insert menu. And I already added it in here. This is like the finished assignment from code.org. What you're going to be adding in is your level 9 free play from the assignment called Swimming Fish in Sprite Lab from lesson 5. This is what it looks like. So when you get it complete and you have it working the correct way, you've added the sprites in. You can add more than 2 fish if you want. This one just has 2, and some behaviors are added to those fish to give them some swimming behaviors and other things while they're in the underwater scene. Once again, this is level 9 free play. So when you're ready to get it to your portfolio, what you're going to do is you're going to click share. You're going to copy the link. You're going to come back to your content area. And like I did here, you're going to use the link tool. You're going to insert a link. This is similar to what we do in Canvas. So I'm just going to paste in that link that I copied. And then the text, you can see what it is up here. Swimming Fish in Sprite Lab. You hit apply. The text is a little bit too big. You can shrink it down. I think I made this something like maybe 18 or something like that. This is the text. It doesn't have to be exactly this, but I'm looking for information on the assignment. You could talk about if it was difficult or easy for you, all kinds of things just in reference to this assignment. I put, this is the first lesson in the Sprite unit for code.org because our first unit was sequencing. And in this free play level from lesson 5 called Swimming Fish, in this lesson, I needed to create fish, sprites, and assign them behaviors in an underwater scene. Now, this link right here that I created, when I finalize and publish my site, I can click on this and get out to this program that I put together, or anybody that was looking at my portfolio could. For the image here, you're going to want to use your Chromebook to create a screenshot of your program here. So to do that, you would just come to where the assignment is, and you're going to go to Quick Settings and select Screen Capture. And you're going to make sure the content you want to capture is on your screen, right? So you make sure that you have this set up. Then on the Screen Capture tool, select whether you want to capture all of your screen or a single window or a specific part of the screen. So you're going to want to select a specific part. I mean, you could put the whole screen up there, but it's going to look better on the portfolio if you just select, this part, or even the blocks might look good in there. After you make your selection, click Capture on the screen. Once completed, the screenshot will show up and be automatically copied to your clipboard. Okay, so then you can, if it's on the clipboard, you can save it to your files on the Chromebook. For my purposes here being on the desktop, I saved it to my my desktop here as a screen capture. It's a little bit different process on the workstation. So I click it, I hit open, it puts it up on there for me. So if I was going to publish this, I just come over here, I hit publish. It brings up the draft, the currently published. I hit publish again. Now I can view publish site. So now when I come to my work page, I'm able to click here and it takes me out to my program. And if whoever was looking at this, if they wanted to see how I coded it, they could click on how it works and it would take me to the inside part with our Blockly code. So once again, this is the next step. If you are currently not done lesson 5, you're obviously going to have to work on that, build the skill set to be able to create the free play underwater scene, and then follow this process to get the assignment onto your portfolio. And I'll be adding the steps for screen capture on the Chromebook. I'll put that on the announcements as well for this assignment.